Well, here we are. It's late winter, early spring. I'm out here with Sara from Portland Nursery. Always a pleasure to come out here.
Thank you.
And so today we have a few, early spring blooming shrubs that we're going to be looking at today. So,
Yeah.
what do we have today?
Well, we've got a few of our favorites, and I feel like it's so easy this time of year to say like everything's your favorite because you're just so desperate to see flowers and fragrance and all of that. So these truly are some of my favorites. The witch hazel, the hamamelis, that one I love for the fragrance. It is just so soft and subtle, but just delicious. And the way that the flowers are just so many different colors this time of year really pops in the landscape, and it's a really great small tree slash shrub kind of.
Because it gets about 10 to 12 feet, feet tall and a nice vase shape.
Yeah, so it can really have a presence in the garden, as well as this Magnolia stellata, and it's the star magnolia.
Yeah.
So it has a really unique shape. I feel like it's a kind of a modern shape, and when they're older, the trunks get very I don't know, they just have a lot of character. So that's another one of my favorites, small as well, about 10, 15, maybe 15 max.
And even when it's not blooming, you have these real fuzzy buds on it, which is cool looking.
Yeah, yeah. And then we've got some Rye Bees, the flowering currant, which are great for the hummingbirds.
Yes.
And they have a really vertical shape, so I feel like it gives a really unique shape in the garden to kind of just spice it up a little bit. And yeah, they just go crazy for these flowers.
And usually you see them in kind of a nice dark pink color, but this is kind of a neat one with this actual white bloomer.
Yeah, the white and the dark pink. So we've got both.
Very, very good choice. And this guy down here.
Yes, Hellebores. I guess they're kind of winding down now, but I think they're just such a beautiful flower for a time of year when everything is sleeping. You get these just gorgeous,
just one of those first signs of spring.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites for that reason.
And lots of colors of these too, right?
Yeah, so many different sizes and shapes. You got the doubles, singles, some with freckles. They are evergreen, drought tolerant, shade tolerant, so they're just a really great flower.
Very, very versatile.
Yes.
And then from the new ones, you have this guy here, which has been around for a long time. Right?
Yes, the forsythia, and I think we chose that just because it's a little bit different. We're just kind of focusing on different things this time of year, and I think with this one, it's just one of those where you drive by and it's just all you see. If it's in a landscape, that's all you see is just this. Once it's in full bloom, it's just a blaring yellow
Definitely
color.
a sign of spring.
Yes.
And then this cute little guy here, what do we have on this?
Yeah, Corylopsis, and it's just such a cute little one. To give us just that kind of delicate flower in the garden. It's got kind of a wintry look, but yeah.
Because it is a very soft, delicate look. But this looks like it's more kind of a mounding, arching look as opposed to some of these taller uprights.
True, we're looking at a lot of uprights. This is definitely more of like a low, wide shrub that we've got there. And
then our classic camellias.
Yeah, you can't mess with those this time of year. Just having those big flowers as well, evergreen. People are probably pretty familiar, but they're just gorgeous.
Glossy leaves.
Yep, that's why we picked those. And then also some heather, which I see around, and I'm always thinking I need to have a heather in my yard. This time of year, they do give a different shape as well and texture. So it's just.
And so lots of great choices for adding color to the garden for this time of year. And so there's small sampling here, and if you want to come out to Portland Nursery and see lots of great choices, or you can also visit them on the website. So thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.